Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to glitch through walls in Roblox. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up Roblox, of course, and then you're gonna make sure that your shift lock in settings is switched off. So that is something that you're going to make sure first things first. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and stand next to the wall like so. And then you're gonna tilt your camera to the right to make sure that it's facing you like this. And after that, you're going to type this into your chat. And once your character starts dancing around, what you're going to do is press Shift and then D to the moment when your character dances on the right. So you're going to wait for that moment and press Shift plus D at the same time. And then after that, there you go. That is how you glitch through walls in Roblox. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, go ahead, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!